Hello, my name is Steve Cruz. I am 32 years old. I am live in Dagua. I am live well, my wife, my mother-in-law, and my two children. I am paramedic. I am studying radiology and imaging diagnosis in the UNAD. My hobby favorite is to swim and hear music. My sport favorite is the cycling. My favorite TV show is Real Life Stories. I am live in my wife, my two children, and my mother-in-law. My wife is called Helly. She is 32 years old. She does not work. She's from Cali and she's very pretty. My children, one is 4 years old and the other 7. They both live in Dagua, study elementary school. Both are tall and handsome. My mother-in-law is 62 years old. This no war, live in Dagua, and is tall with brown eyes and white hair. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.